So this is the DarkFlash DR12 Pro. It comes with 3 fans, a controller, and a remote. So let's unbox it. Oh, I also bought this an LED strip. They said it goes with the controller with this one, so we'll find out in a while. So that's the remote and the controller and the 3 fans and the screws. And this is the LED strip that I bought with it. It comes in this rubber covering, which I think will diffuse a lot of the light and won't have so much hot spots, but there's no adhesive behind it and it doesn't come with the package. So if you're gonna do this, you need a lot of these cable ties, a side cutter, scissors, screwdriver. Also, I found double-sided tape and 3M mounting tape, but I think this is too overkill for the LED strip, but we'll find out. So I have the fans generally where I want them. I have 2 in front for the intake and 1 at the back. And then I decided to use the fan that came with the case. This one doesn't have lights, but you know, the more filtered air inside the PC case, the better, right? I thought at first you needed a double-sided tape to stick this on, but at the ends of these strips are magnets. I don't know if you can see it right there. So see, it's magnet. I'm gonna hide it here like that, but I have to figure out on how to wire it and hide the wires at the back. Okay, so I have everything mounted and wire managed, cable managed. That's the LED strip right there. Maybe I'll add double stick tape here on this side. It's kind of bulging out. And there's I don't know if you can see it. Oh, wait, let me get my flashlight. There, I zip tied all the wires, so make it clean. And on this side, I hid the wire behind the motherboard. And so I need to figure out on how far these wires go in this wire, so I can mount this somewhere. So I finally have everything mounted, including the controller. So I put it here with 3M mounting tape, because the supplied one I thought was a double-sided tape or mounting tape turned out to be a Velcro, which ended up being too thick. If I put it at the back of this one, I wouldn't be able to close the case. Next is to try and turn it on. Hopefully everything works. That's it. That's how you install the DarkFlash kit with the LED strip.